Hey everyone, Mark here from SnowOnly. Just reporting to you live from Switzerland. I'm actually in St. Moritz at the moment, an absolutely beautiful place to be. What I wanted to get across today was we get a lot of people inquiring for properties in Switzerland. There is some restrictions for what people want and how they can purchase in comparison to maybe Italy or France, which are pretty much open to the world. Switzerland has some restrictions about where they can purchase, apart from places like Andermatt, which kind of go at the exception to the rule, which actually is why you're getting a lot of people that are purchasing there. But when people make the inquiries, the problem is they haven't done their research, and then we send them the properties, and then it's either it doesn't apply to them because they want to use it differently to what it's being offered, or they don't have an EU passport, which then doesn't allow them to purchase. So what I want to refer to today is an article that was written by SnowOnly a little while ago, but it is still relevant for today, and I will put the link below. So you can have a read yourself. But I'll read a few sections for you. Despite the rise of new destinations worldwide, Switzerland still remains one of the top countries worldwide for skiers and ski property, with some of the world's finest, many at high altitude, resilient to climate change, and exciting new property developments. It's one of the best places to purchase a chalet or apartment on the slopes. However, as a country within EFTA, but not the EU, the rules for foreigners looking to buy a ski property in Switzerland are a little different to usual. Here's what you need to know. Can foreign citizens buy property in Switzerland? Foreign citizens are entitled to buy houses in Switzerland if you live in the country and it will be your full-time residence. Then you don't need to apply for permission as long as you're an EFTA or EU citizen or hold a valid residence permit, normally a B permit. If you buy land, you must start the development within 1 year. On the other hand, if you're looking to buy a ski property in Switzerland as a second residence, whether you live in Switzerland already or abroad, you will need to obtain a permit. As a further formality, if you're not Swiss resident, so usually if you live abroad, you can't buy outside a tourist area. There are a few things that you need to look up, which is the Lex Koller and the Lex Weber. That will certainly apply. Let me give you, it's not a long article, so I'll read it for you. These two laws have set out what foreign buyers can own as a primary residence, own as a residential property. The Lex Koller, introduced in 1983, says you can only buy property with a plot of up to 1,000 square meters and habitable area of up to 200 square meters. The Lex Weber, introduced after the referendum in 2012, stops the building of second homes in communes where 20% of property already have second homes. This might sound restrictive, but it is good news for property buyers in many ways. It means a diminished risk of oversupply with the impact on property prices brings with it. Are there local variations on the laws? Yes, there are between cantons in Switzerland. And as I said before, something like Andermatt, which is a little bit of the exception to the rule, you can purchase there. But a lot of the high-end buyers that we're looking in St. Moritz and Zermatt, there is very limited stock if you are not a primary resident of Switzerland or hold an EU passport. Some things here about the purchase costs in Switzerland, but my main point is, let me just come back and get out of this. My main point is, if you're looking to purchase in Switzerland, please do your research because there is a limited amount. If you are an EU holder, it obviously increases your chances of the properties that you can buy. But we will put a few articles at the bottom of this video. And as I said, please do your research before buying a property in Switzerland because you might be looking at things that don't necessarily apply for you. Anyway, I hope that helps. Enjoy. I'm getting out from the cold.